guys, and welcome back to my channel Colorful Crochet. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to crochet a bobble stitch. Let's get started. First of all, I've got my yarn over here and I'm going to be yarning over first, and I'm going to be inserting my hook into the first stitch, and I will yarn over, grab the stitch, so I'll have 3 loops on my hook, and I'm going to yarn over again, and I'm just going to pull this loop through 2 loops, not all 3 loops but just 2. So I should have 2 loops in the end, and I'm going to repeat that for 4 times. Just yarn over again. Remember to yarn over and put your hook through inside the same stitch. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Every time you repeat it, you're gonna have to pull through 2 loops only. And by the time you finish, you should have a total of 6 loops on your hook. So I need 2 more. I'm just going to be doing it 2 more times. Yarn over and then 2 loops. 5 for 1 more. And now I have a total of 6 loops on my hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that I have 6, I'm going to be yarning over, and I'm going to pull this loop through all of these loops on my hook. So I'm just going to go putting this through. So if you can't do that all at once, just do it slowly. Alright. And then next, so we've got a bobble stitch here, and to see it properly, I'm going to be single crochet in the next stitch. And so we've got a bobble stitch. I'm going to be crocheting in the next stitch. And we've got to pop this out, and there we have it, our bobble stitch. So it's really easy and really fun to do, and I hope this has been informative. And if you have any questions, please tell me in the comments below. And also, if you would like to see me teaching you how to crochet other stitches, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again. Bye!